Alright guys, we're here right now at iJuice. So now I'm going to show you how to redeem the free iJuice. Free juice for all healthcare here in Singapore. So this is how to, especially nurses, because they're in line for the nurses day, right? So this is how we redeem our free juice in iJuice using the Wink apps. So let's start now. First, we need to download the Wink app and then open it. Then after that, you have to register your name and your email address. When done, then go to earn points. And then you will see the Wink plus play. Then click this thank you for showing us power of care. Then after opening, you scroll down. Then you need to type here the code that your institution gave to you. And then right after that, you will receive your QR code straight to your email address. So we shall try this scan here. Let's scan QR. Juicing! Free juice from iJuice for the healthcare.
Nurses Day.
Ala pa, ayun.
Ba't kaya green-green na ngayon yung mga ano nila?
Green na.
Pero matamis, di ba? Masarap din eh. Yung last natin.
Alright, so here comes the free juice from iJuice.
Thank you, iJuice.
Thank you, iJuice. And now it's my turn, and then I will try to redeem my free iJuice. Scan. Oh, wow, juicing!
Juicing.
Juicing! Free juice. So, nakadalawa na kami. 2 iJuice kasi dalawa kami. Alright. So now we have our free iJuice from where?
From iJuice.
From iJuice. Yeah, because last time we celebrate the Nurses Day. And that's it guys. So hopefully ma-redeem mo na din yung mga free juices niyo guys. So punta na kayo sa mga iJuices. Alright. iJuice. So alright, bye-bye.